What are the benefits of a Walmart chartering its own ships? Because prices are already high. I mean, they seem like they might be overpaying.
You know, you think they're overpaying with a price tag of $5 million, but they're not. And the reason why is, remember, not too long ago, these companies were paying in excess of $20,000 to $25,000 for a single container, and it was stuck for weeks outshore where you have these priceless items, right, with nowhere to go. So the reason why they're chartering these vessels is not only to control their supply chain, they're supplementing not only their low inventory, but they're bringing in the holiday items. And they're using their pre-existing logistics systems like IKEA using the Port of Baltimore, but more importantly, they're avoiding that Port of LA. And so you've got the Seattle port. They are actually winning, if you will, in terms of the market share, where you've got IKEA moving some of their product to Seattle instead of LA. And Long Beach, their sister port, there's a great chart where they are actually taking market share away from LA. So this is all strategy here, Brian.
Yeah, in fact, I was out in San Francisco recently, Lorianne, and the Port of Oakland looked packed as well. We've heard a lot about that, you know, kind of like an airport. Hey, don't land at Newark, go to Trenton or whatever it might be. Kind of the same ideas. If we look at some of the shipping reports, the manifests, marine traffic, whatever data you want to look at, what can it tell us about Costco, Walmart, and others? And, you know, asking for a friend with a 7-year-old child, will the Christmas gifts be on the shelves this year, Lorianne?
You know, it depends on where they shop.
That Santa couldn't make.
Exactly. When it comes to the bills of lading, and we actually use Import Genius, for Costco, they are looking at record imports. So it's a two-thing. From a consumer standpoint, it's fantastic. They're going to probably have a lot of items. For an investor, this is great because you know that they actually are going to have shelves filled this year. The charters are definitely enhancing their supply chain disruption. And it also shows you the tremendous consumer demand they've been having. I mean, look at that number, Brian. 2021 far exceeds the front loading that they did in 2018 ahead of the trade war.
Yeah, I mean, the numbers are truly incredible. All right, so let's say you're Walmart or Costco or whatever, and you've got your own ship, but you've got a lot more goods than you have room on the ship, as big as they are. Mm-hmm. What are some of the key items that they're saying, you know what, leave that on the docks, put this stuff on the boat? What are some of the key items? And I think you got the blanked out part.
I really did. When it looks at Costco, it's that Christmas tree. And we found some really great stuff here. So on their website, they currently have a 7.5-foot Christmas tree out of stock. But we learned through the bills of lading that on October 7th, containers of that very Christmas tree arrived in the Port of Oakland. And that's fantastic because nobody wants a holiday item coming in late and then they have to sell it at discount. For IKEA, this is a great forward-looking indicator of the consumer and what they're buying. It's countertops, it's cabinets. And then for Walmart, it's lots and lots of garments. So this really shows you where they are banking on, where the consumer is going to spend their money.